The general procedure for this experiment looked at two techniques for chromatography. In the first set of experiments, we used 3 TLC plates in different solvents. Each plate was marked 1 centimeter above the bottom, and then that's where the drops of dyes were placed. A wrapping was placed over the tops of the beakers with solvents to allow the atmosphere to reach equilibrium. The plates were placed within the beakers diagonally, and over time the solvent traveled up the plates. Using the distance each dye traveled in ratio to the distance traveled by the solution, an RF value, or retardation value, was calculated for the dye. The main goal for this was to pick the solvent that separated the dyes the most, so this meant having larger differences in RF values for the dyes. The next part of the experiment looked at the chosen solvent and a few other materials to create a column for chromatography. In the same way as the first experiment, the parts of the unknown dye would be separated. We collect 2 separate colors in the beakers. The first ended up being a bright yellow color, and the second one was a pink color. These samples were then examined in the spectrometer.